So in this video, we want to talk about some base 10 to base 16 conversions. So let's start off here. I would like to convert 31 base 10 to hex, or base 16. So here's what I do. I draw a line here, and this is the ones column, and I draw a line here, 16, and I could go to 256, but 256 is too big, so I'm not going to have 256. Now, how many 16s go into 31? Okay, 1. What's left? 15. And what's 15 in hex? F. 31 base 10 is 1F base 16. Okay, let's do another one. Let's say 54 base 10, and I want to go to hex. Okay, 1, 16, 256 is too big. How many 16s go into 54? That's 3. 3 times 16 is 48. There's 6 left. 6 ones left. Okay? Let's do another one. Let's say 241, base 10. I want to take it to hex. So I start out with a 1, and I go to 16. 256 is too big. Well, how many 16s go into 241? 15. What's 15 in hex? F. What's left? Well, 15 times 16 is 240. Okay, and there's your answer. Okay? Now, if I had a bigger number, and I'll do a bigger number for you now. Let's do, let's take, how about 273? 273, base 10 to hex. So I go 1, 16, 256. How many 256 goes into 273? 1. Okay, well, what's left? 17. How many 16s go into 17? 1. What's left? A 1. Okay, and this would be 111 base 16. Now let's go the other way. Let's go from hex, or base 16, to decimal, to base 10. Okay, so here is a hex value. Let's say 1F, and I want to go to base 10. So here's all you do. Put the 1 here, put the 16 here. 1 times 16 equals 16, and 15, that's F, times 1 equal 15, and 16 plus 15 is equal to 31 base 10. So you go to each column here. The F is 15 times 1. The 1 is 1 times 16, because these are the column values. Let's do another one. Let's take, let's see here. Let's take a 70 or 7A in hexadecimal, and let's go to base 10. Okay, so this is the 1s, this is the 16s. What's 7 times 16? Okay, I think that's going to be 112, plus what's 10 times 1? 10? That's going to be 122 base 10. Okay, so what's important here is you understand that this column here, the 1s, that's A is 10, 10 times 1, and this is the second column, that's a 16s column. 7 times 16 should be 112, I believe. Okay, and let's go back here and let's prove, let's take F1. Let's take, oops, sorry about that. let's take F1. F1 base 16 is equal to what in base 10? Okay, this is the ones column. This is the 16s. Okay, 1 times 1 is 1. Okay, 1 plus what is 15? That's F is 15 times 16, 240. And that's equal to 241 base 10. Okay, I hope these conversions help.